our products are robust and reliable.
Reliability has always been a key issue for us, and that's not just the longevity of our products electrically and mechanically, but it's also about the consistency of our products, working with all of the different variants of tachographs, always doing the same thing and providing a consistent output.
How can we support not just the fleets themselves, but how can we actually support companies who already had telematic devices and wanted to incorporate tachographs to their offering? So we offered them the possibility to embed our technology into their device so that they can actually do it without even changing their hardware, which is pretty cool. I would say that the next reason why people love Lisle Design is because of our support. We take a lot of effort into helping both the fleets and our distributors so that the experience with our products is the best.
The other value we hold highly is assisting customers problem solving through to the end, and then taking on board ideas so that we can add features and functions to our product and improve our product in a very dynamic way.
We're very agile in fixing and responding to customer needs, and that culture pervades the entire organisation. The basis is highly technical, very, very well engineered. The selling has come not from, taking a very, very aggressive approach, but from taking a very constructive approach towards relationship development. So much so that we developed relationships 10 years ago, and we've only started selling into these companies 2 years ago. And the reason for that is that we're defining needs, and the needs develop. And you identify the needs, and technically you're in a position to make something that addresses those needs. So it's about engineering, designing useful products that makes useful things happen.
We want to allow fleets to focus on what they're really good at. So we put a lot of effort into creating products that can support these fleets so that everything related to tachographs or any other product that we do, they pretty much can forget that it's actually right there in the background.
The key issue, it's all about safety, about road transport safety. So our products were primarily aimed at ensuring that vehicle owners and fleet managers could ensure that their vehicles and their drivers were being compliant with the driving time directives and the working time directives in Europe. Subsequently, it's moved into an area of getting that information more efficiently, minimizing the downtime of the vehicles and minimizing the amount of effort of the operators to use it. And then even more recently now, it's more about improving the way that fleets can be run by providing information about driver behaviours, about vehicle locations, so that fleets can be managed in a far more efficient manner.
It's about behaving to the rules. It's about following EU law. So if you're going to make something, you need to make something that's well designed, been properly thought out, and is easy to use. And our backbone of that from the original DigiDown products for simple download reflected that. Comes from the ethos of our founding director, who had very close connections at a senior level with one of the major tachograph manufacturers. So he understood design, and he understood use, and he understood user interface. And we've continued with that culture. And what makes us different is that we're really good at that.